In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize sidebar items. If your workspace feels cluttered or you spend time digging for the tools you use most, fine-tuning the sidebar can make a huge difference. The goal here is to bring the essentials to the forefront and quietly hide everything else, so navigation becomes faster, cleaner, and more intuitive. Start by opening your app and heading to Settings. You'll typically find the Settings icon down in the bottom left corner of the window, often represented by a small gear. If it isn't obvious at first glance, move your mouse toward that corner or expand the window. Some interfaces minimize icons or hide them behind that area until you hover. Click Settings to open the control panel that governs how the app behaves for you. Think of this as your personal control room, where you shape the interface to match how you actually work. Inside Settings, go to Preferences. This section usually houses display, behavior, and personalization options, the things that influence what you see and how you interact with it. Today, we'll keep our focus on the sidebar. Preferences is the right place to be because it centralizes the visual and navigation settings we want to adjust without touching anything that could change your data. Next, look for the section labeled Customize Sidebar Items. It may appear as its own heading or be nested under Navigation or Layout Controls. This is where the app lists all the panels, modules, and shortcuts that can live in your sidebar. Think dashboards, projects, favorites, inboxes, recents, or anything else your workspace supports. Opening this section gives you a clear overview of everything that can be shown or hidden. Now toggle all the items you wish to be seen in the sidebar. Each entry will have a switch or checkbox you can turn on or off. Enable the items you use every day and disable the ones that add noise. You'll usually see the sidebar update instantly, which makes it easy to confirm you like the result. A helpful approach is to keep your daily destinations, like your primary dashboard, most used folders, or top-level tools, visible, and hide rarely used sections. Remember, you aren't deleting anything. Hidden items remain available through other menus or search. You're simply decluttering your main view. You can return here anytime to adjust as your needs evolve, and your choices typically persist between sessions on the same device. That's all it takes. With a quick visit to Settings, Preferences, and Customize Sidebar Items, you've streamlined your workspace and made the sidebar work for you. Revisit these toggles whenever your priorities shift, and keep your navigation focused on what matters.